It was a bright and peaceful morning in a small Muslim neighborhood. The birds were singing, the sunling, and the smiley.
I remember Allah in my heart. Good manners make us shine. Let's play and have fun. But let's remember to be safe. Bismillah. When we say Bismillah, Allah protects us. Let's go to the park. It's open. Yay!
Ow! My knee! Oh no! I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Oh no, I hurt myself.
It's okay, Adam. I'm here. I'm so scared.
Adam, our Prophet Muhammad taught us to be gentle. Say sorry. Allah loves those who say the truth.
I am so sorry.
I am really sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I forgive you, Adam. Allah likes forgiving hearts.
Thank you, Ayan.
Yes. Come on, Ayan, let's get you up. Just a little brush.
Thanks, Adam.
Better? Look, an old woman needs help. Should we help her?
Yes, let's help her carry the bags.
Look, an old woman needs help. Should we help her?
Yes, let's help her carry the bags.
Our Prophet said helping others is a sadaqah.
We'll help you with that.
Thank you so much, children.
Let us help you.
Yes, we got it.
Be careful, it's heavy.
May Allah bless you, my children.
I told you we could gather enough. Thank you, Grandma. Let's make something delicious.
Yes, you are all very good helpers.
Time to come inside now, my dears. Okay, Grandma.
Come, my children. Let me tell you something beautiful. Allah loves children who are kind, honest, and helpful. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, too, was the kindest of all. He forgave people and helped everyone.
I want Allah to love me. I will be more careful. Of course, Adam, that's wonderful. Yes, we'll help you.
Zara said,
Saying sorry makes us strong, not weak. Forgiving makes our hearts clean. Oh Allah, we ask for your mercy and forgiveness.
when children follow Islam with love, their hearts shine like bright stars.
Say Bismillah. Say sorry. Help others.